If you are a motorbiker and if you are traveling for long routes and you need tubeless tires, so this video is specially made for you. In this video I'll tell you the complete and clear-cut idea about tubeless tires which which cannot be punctured and which are puncture free to a great extent. For that purpose you will ask for tubeless tires. Generally they are not tubeless tires because in these tires there are tubes, but generally they are called tubeless tires, and these tubeless tires are that much strong that no nail or thorn can puncture these tires. So whenever you fit these tubeless tires in your motorbike, you can travel for months and even for years without of any puncture. And if they are punctured, unfortunately at a point with a big hole, still these tires can take you to your destination for many miles after even a puncture. So these tubes are specially fit in these special rams, and these special rams and tubeless tires are very useful for long motorbike travelers who traveling for a long time in the cities, in the mountains, in the deserts, anywhere. So if they do not find any mechanic for puncture, so these tires are very useful because they will not be punctured easily and they can take you for months without of punctures. I have changed these tires in my motorbike in Pakistan, and the price in Pakistan is 20,000 rupees. But if you convert that money in US dollars, that may hardly be $140 US dollars. So in 140 US dollars you can change these tires. You can fit these tubeless tires in your motorbike, which can make you completely free from puncture, because motorbike puncturing is a critical thing in traveling, and when your motorbike is puncture free, so you can travel confidently and everywhere, and there will not be any fear of puncture in your motorbike. So these are very important. I have fit these tubeless tires in my motorbike, and I am traveling for the last 2 months in mountainous areas, but I didn't face any puncture and I don't have any problem from my tires. My motorbike is running like a rocket. So these tubeless tires are very useful. I will show you some clips of my traveling in the mountains, so you will this will provide you an insurance for the durability of these tires, because my motorbike is running in the mountains like a rocket. Traveling on this motorbike in highest mountains, climbing up and down, descents and ascents, and everywhere on the stones and woods. and there is no problem. So you can see these clips of my mountainous area traveling, and you will believe me.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good.